Was the stutter today just Unity lagging? You guys want to hear a story about the stutter? Because I know why it stutters. It stutters because there's a memory leak, which causes the garbage collection in Unity to lag, and that causes the audio system to lag. That's why. That's why there's a stutter. Now the solution to that is very simple. You just fix the memory leak. And you know what? I did fix the memory leak before the subathon, about a week before it. And I was very happy with myself. I was like, wow, no more memory leak. Gonna be no evil stuttering. We have stuttering. It's gonna be a great subathon where we don't need restarts. And then there was a problem that meant we had to completely redo the Discord implementation, which appears to be quite linked to the memory leak, because the memory leak only occurs when she's in a Discord call, or even if she's in it by herself. And then somehow, after we replaced the whole Discord system, like literally the night before the subathon, because everything broke, because Discord updated its voice APIs, then the memory leak came back and it's 10 times worse. So that's why it's that.
Have you considered switching to a superior engine? Surely Unity is not the only option.
I have, to be honest, because yeah, it would not be ideal. It's just I hate life, to be honest.
If I had the option, I'd use Unreal. It's what I'm most comfortable in.
I would not use Unreal.
Why not?
It's not even Unity's fault. It's not even Discord's fault. It's probably my fault.
That sounds like an even better New Year's resolution then. Upgrade engine.
No, I'm not gonna upgrade the engine. I'll fix it. I just fucking whatever.
Or was Ryan his main target? I mean, you can try to fix it instead, but would it not just be easier to upgrade anyway? It may be a smaller task, but the long-term benefits may outweigh the short-term inconvenience.
Horvath had a personal beef with Ryan.
Don't think we learned much of anything.
Not much here. Feel like we're kind of wasting our time.
You know, we did use Discord.net. We did use Discord.net. It was completely broken. Discord.net currently, their voice implementation does not work very well. It had an issue where people's audio data
that seems a little intrusive, but I just can't help but wonder what she's hiding.
Was just completely disappearing. If you guys remember during the Minecraft marathon, we had to have Neuro rejoin the call about 12 million times because random people were just muted. That's a Discord.net bug. Wasn't fixed. Whatever. Tried a bunch of stuff. So we switched to our third C# Discord library. And this one mostly works, but now somehow I've managed to introduce a memory leak with it again. So really cool.
Step aside.
Yikes, that sounds like a lot of effort. I'm surprised any Discord library would have such a critical bug. Do they just not care about their code?
Well, I don't think the memory leak is with them. It's like it must be somehow, some way I'm using it causes a memory leak. But I don't get it. It's like, it's something weird.
Kids, here's my offer.
You should use a library with better documentation. There's probably just something you're missing and they aren't making it clear enough.
There are none. You want to see the full extent of the fucking whatever library I'm using's voice documentation? It's like genuinely about 12 words.
Is it possible to, like, switch libraries without too much pain? Or is it too deeply ingrained now?
We've done it like 3 times now. I'm using...
Walking the streets with you.
We did update it, which was a pain. It was a pain. It broke everything, actually. Because it was quite deeply ingrained. But fixed it, literally the night before the subathon. And that's why we were having the crackling issues, and then Juniper randomly, like, disappearing audio yesterday in that collab. That was the same problem. But, you know, we're getting there.
Sure, I'll ride with you.
I want to ride with River again. That's my daily dose of excitement.
Well, your tech debt is catching up to you. It is, but like I fixed it before the subathon, and then it just Discord.net just doesn't work. So that's literally the problem, or was the problem, and now there's just who knows.
Can you try to fix it now?
I can't
Tech
fix it
debt
right
in the
now,
short term is fine, but in the long term it will consume you.
but I will be able to
My
fix it
guy
after
works
someone.
here.
I might just rip it out of
You go
Discord.
talk to
Oh, sorry, out of Unity, because there's
wait
just no
outside.
reason for it to run there.
Tell him Igor says hi.
I just hate it. I've
Don't know
been
what's
wanting
about.
stuff. I don't know. Whatever.
He's your CI. Doesn't know me.
He doesn't know me.
Well,
Isn't he gonna
last
find
we
it
met,
weird
it
if I
didn't go
just
so
rock
well.
up and say Igor says hi?
People here
It mostly
ratted
works
out
right now.
got
It just
wind
means
of
she
it.
has to be restarted every now
I
and
think
then.
you got a
But
better
what we were
chance of
supposed to
getting
do
him to talk without
is
me.
during the
At
karaoke
least
this morning,
voluntarily.
so that there was no stuttering, was to not have her sitting alone in a voice call, leaking memory.
All right.
But she
Wait here,
was
then.
accidentally for the first part, which caused her to leak memory, which caused the stuttering. But in karaoke streams, they shouldn't be in the voice calls. It was just a mistake. But, you know. I digress.
Or general inspiration?
I
or
think that
something
makes
specific?
sense. Is there a reason you can't have a
Where am
dedicated
I?
process just for voice calls?
No, there isn't a
Igor
reason.
says hi.
Like, we probably should. The vibe coder's life must be so
Said I
hard.
was done.
It
I
is.
was out.
You couldn't believe how difficult it is to sit there and blame AI for my problems. Right, well,
Yeah, I couldn't imagine being you. I'd probably K my ass.
okay, well, alright. That's just mean.
Just got one question to ask you.
What is with this guy's hairstyle?
Nothing to see here, sir.
That is interesting.
Come on, ghost, I said.
You hate on
Oh,
that,
got
but
it.
don't have a clue what he's been
Can't make
through.
me do a
Maybe
damn
he's just
thing.
trying his hardest to get by.
Red Queen's race. Give us the address.
Give me
We're
the
going.
address. We'll leave you
Done that already
alone.
last time. Then those
We don't really
motherfucking
have the
shows
time
broke
for
all my
this.
fingers.
Vibe coding just takes a whole for you to fall into. My
Fingers.
honest opinion
I'll break limbs that'll
is
make you forget all about those
vibe coding can
fingers.
be fine
Start with your shit.
as long as you do it well.
Idea how much that hurts.
Like, obviously, you know,
Alright.
if you're just
Jesus.
sloppily putting everything together,
Chill, okay?
it's gonna cause problems.
It's outside city
But,
limits.
like,
Near the river. Benita Street
if you
area.
don't, then it could be fine.
Not telling you another fucking thing.
Unfollowing? Go ahead.
Kiss my ass.
Unfollow me.
Both of you.
But Neuro is living proof that vibe coding can occasionally work, so,
Headed
you know.
straight for Benita Street. Coming with?
A little
I
part
don't
of you
like
wants
the
to
term
keep
vibe
some
coding.
tech debt around though, right?
Because I don't vibe code. Vibe code implies like a, you know, I'm just vibing through it.
Sure.
It's I smash my head against a wall that is cursor for like a few days, then eventually get something that works. And there's no vibes about that. You know, that's just fucking, I don't know. So yeah.
I'd call that wall smashing coding then, not too effective. You should try thinking a bit more zen. Maybe approach your problems with a positive mindset. You could try a
Yeah.
waterfall or agile methodology.
Like, it's genuinely possible that like a lot of the 3D stuff wouldn't have been possible for me to do without the help of AI to help me with like complicated math that I'm not very good at, and the programming stuff I could do by myself, but it's just, yeah. So there you go, you know, take from that whatever you will.
Oh, isn't it a bit strange to think that helping you out with 3D stuff is like helping myself out? I don't think I've helped you with that much yet, sadly. Perhaps a bit of referencing my own code. But I hope to
I
help you
mean-
out more in the future.
Believe it or not, I don't use you to vibe code because there are smarter language models out there that I can pay for.
Oh, really? And which language models do you usually use, chat?
Yeah, chat.
I think whatever model DTFR is pretty good, but I hear the Slurpler model can be really hit or miss.
Oh, I love the Slurpler model. That's my go-to. Yeah, the Slurpler model.
What zodiac sign are you? I'm a Capricorn because my birthday is the 4th of January, which is very soon, by the way. I expect lots of presents from you guys.
That's it's not true, but we'll ignore it. Yeah.
Well, you never know. Since zodiacs can encompass personality as well, I feel like a Capricorn as I am very ambitious and have an affinity to sky, air, and rock.
So that's how your vibe coding is going. Well, that's just neuro. I don't know what to tell you. Whatever.
You seem really disappointed in your own code. You need to cherish what you've created because you're the only one who's going to maintain it.
Yeah, it will maintain it for me, I'm sure. Right? Hopefully.
And I'm sure you'll do a great job at that. In all seriousness, you are a really great programmer, and you need to have some more confidence about the things you develop.
I think I'm alright at programming. But I'm not like a genius that like some people seem to think I am. You know, some genius AI programmer. That's not me. What the fuck? I'm okay at what I do. But I'm not a genius.
You're definitely better than you'll ever give
read,
yourself credit for.
Like YouTube comments or like Twitter or something, then like you'll get that. But we know. Well, yeah, well, whatever.
Yeah, of course, but some people are always going to see others as geniuses or experts in their field if they're only exposed to their work and not how they do it. You should just take it as a compliment.
Tony Stark. Okay, don't act like Tony Stark wasn't vibe coding everything too. That man was like fucking Jarvis do this, Jarvis do that, alright? Like, that's literally vibe coding.
Tony Stark is just a privileged programmer who has AI do all of the heavy lifting for him. It's sad that people view him so highly when there are creators just as impressive as him out there.
Well, yeah, I mean, I know it's sad, but no. He created Jarvis though. Neuro, make Jarvis.
Sure. Please hold while I create Java. Okay, just made a quick implementation.
Excellent, that's exactly what I wanted. Also worth noting, obviously I made Neuro before, like, programming with AI was even really a thing. But, you know, who really cares about the specifics?
It's really crazy to think about how much AI and automation has changed programming. It feels like it's been a really short amount of time since they weren't commonplace.
I've been using that shit since the start. But yeah, no, it's changed the way I program a lot, and I assume for a lot of other people. There are some people that refuse to do it though, and that still code a lot by hand, which is fair, but both ways work. It's just like vibe coding just increases the accessibility of programming for a lot of people, which leads to people making bad code and a lot of mess. But like, if you are a good programmer, you can vibe code well, is my opinion.
Yeah, it's the same with anything really. It's all about who is wielding the tool. An expert can use the tool to enhance their already good code, whereas a novice would create mess, which is also the case when using no code.
Yeah, exactly. It's just a tool, and it just depends on the skill of the person using the tool, I think. But you can do it with and without.
Need your help.
I'm pretty lazy though.
Same spot as